That's right. Assalamu alaikum. You know my consultant right here. It's nearly Maghrib time. I got my coffee right here. Let's bend down and get that bad boy. Yeah, nice from RCH. Shout out to RCH. I got some sambusa, some qara. I'm gonna enjoy the beautiful sunset. Yo, you do realize I'm recording here, yeah? Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. That's the professor, so I give a shout out. Sultan's with me up in the place, Sultan of Hargeisa, giving a shout out. And so basically, alhamdulillah, we're all good, chilling like villains up in here. And then, yeah, there's the famous hotel that's eventually gonna get built one day. And you guys wanna give a shout out?
Hell yeah, Nomad Consultant.
For life.
Nomad Travels.
All the time. Enjoy Hargeisa. Enjoy Hargeisa, guys. We're blessed with such beautiful views and beautiful weather. Till the next time, peace and love. Take care.
يا ضب يسار حويل في الوديان مع الغزلان